Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share to you about how to load VM from VirtualBox to your GNS 3. In the previous videos I already shared to you about how to install GNS 3 and VirtualBox, and then how to create a VM in VirtualBox. And in this video, the VM in the VirtualBox will be loaded to GNS 3. Actually, when I was trying to load the VM to GNS 3, there are some errors. So in this video, I also share about how to solve that errors. Let's open the GNS 3. At the beginning, when you run your GNS 3 at the first time, you will see a dialog box like this. So I will choose this, run appliances on my local computer, and then next, finish. I will try to drag an Ethernet hub. Okay, I think we need to reload to restart our GNS 3. Because this is the first time we run our GNS 3, so there will be no projects yet. I will name this project testing. Okay, let's try to add an Ethernet hub. You can see here that the GNS 3 needs Dynamips. And if we add NAT, you can see the GNS 3 needs libvirt. Open your terminal. We will install the Dynamips and libvirt. Please take a note that Dynamips is a package that located in RPM Fusion repository. So before you install the Dynamips, you need to check your repo list. I already installed my RPM Fusion repository. libvirt is a package that is located in the Fedora official repository. So we will install the Dynamips and libvirt package with one command. The installation is done. Before we restart our GNS 3, we need to run the libvirt service. One thing you need to do before you continue to make a topology, it's about the libvirt service. You need to make the libvirt service run every time you turn on your computer. So you need to enable the libvirt service. Okay everyone, so you don't need to start the libvirt every time you want to run your GNS3. Okay, we will restart our GNS3. One more thing before we restart the GNS3, we need to check is there any GNS3 service that run in the background. So we need to execute this command. There's no GNS3 service running, so we can restart our GNS3. I will load the previous project. I will try to drag the Ethernet hub, Ethernet switch, and then the NAT. I think there's no error in here, so we can start to load our VM from the VirtualBox. But before that, I will clean this by deleting the the templates. In the previous video, I already shared to you about how to create a VM in your VirtualBox. So after you create a VM in your VirtualBox, you can load that VM into your GNS3. You can click this button and then click this option and then next, or you can go to the edit menu, preferences, and then you can click this VirtualBox VMS, click new. I already have one, Fedora 35 mate. Click finish. Before you click OK, you need to do some settings. Go to the network tab and then check this option, and then you can set how many network interface card that you want to use. I will show you something. In your VirtualBox, for example, this one, in my VirtualBox, the network settings for the Fedora 35 mate, I only enable one adapter. But if you set two adapters in your GNS3, the settings in the Box VM will have no effect to this GNS3. So even you set only one adapter in the VirtualBox, in this network setting, even you only enable one adapter, you can still add more than one adapter in GNS3. Okay, after you check this option and set your adapter, you can click OK and then apply and OK. After you click OK, you will see there's a template Fedora 35 made. You can start to make your topology. I will use NAT, and then I need a switch, and this is my computer. Okay, let's start our VM. Start. Okay everyone, the VM is running. So I didn't install this Fedora 35 mate in my VirtualBox. I just load the ISO image to my VirtualBox. I will test the connection. You can see that I can ping google.com. It means that my topology is running well. So just like I said before, that the NAT is the easiest way for our VM to connect to the internet. In GNS3, you can also use the cloud, but it needs some settings before we can connect to the internet. So I use NAT because it's the easiest way to connect. Okay everyone, I think this is the end of my video. I will recap. So in this video, we learn about how to solve the GNS3 errors, and then we learn about how to load our VM to the GNS3. So I hope this video is useful for you, because the GNS3 plus VirtualBox can become a tool that you can use for testing or learning about networking. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Once again, thanks for watching.